Hi, welcome again to Math 2413 or Calculus 1. To get started, click on Start here to find the course tour for this class. So to get started, the first thing that you need to do is to set up and register your WebAssign account. To do that, I want you to watch this video for instructions on how to register to WebAssign. Use this class key to enroll. Once you have set up your WebAssign, the next thing is to set up Proctorio. Proctorio is the proctoring services that we will use when we take exams for this class. So I want you to have this one set up way in advance because after three weeks from now will be your first exam. And this is actually where you could find instructions on how to view results and feedback in Blackboard for your exams. And the next, but not the least, or the last thing that you need to set up is your enrollment at the Math Resource Center. Math Resource Center is a tutoring service in our campus. It provides free online tutoring services. I want you to click on this link here so you can enroll, so that anytime you have a problem during the day or you want somebody to help you, you could just connect to the Math Resource Center for a free online tutoring. Now at this point, let us review the requirements for this class. Let's go to the course syllabus for this class. So in the course syllabus, this is where the list of rules and requirements for this class here. So one of the special materials that you would need here is a WebAssign access, or you get a WebAssign access code. This WebAssign access would give you access to your homework and quizzes and the multimedia textbook for the class. This is also where the video instructions would come from. Okay, then the delivery of instruction for this class is done asynchronously, meaning to say there will be no live lectures. All lectures are pre-recorded and they're all available in Blackboard. I will discuss how you would access your lesson later on. Communication for this class. I would encourage you to send me email if you have any questions. Email sent within office hours. My office hour is listed in here. That is from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Mondays through Thursdays. If you would send me email during those times, I would, as much as possible, respond to your email as quickly as possible, or almost instantly. But if not, allow me to respond within 24 hours. Now, homework are all done in WebAssign. Therefore, it is important that you get an access code as soon as possible. Now, if you complete your homework before the due date, at least 40 hours in advance, you will be given an extra credit for doing that. Now, however, if you do your homework late, if you submit it after due date, then you will be penalized with a 10% deduction. Take note, you can only make up for homework within 15 days after the due date. After that, missed homework will be graded 0. Okay, so I just want you to remember this. You can make up late homework with a 10% deduction or penalty within 15 days after the due date. After that, you will be graded 0 for that missed homework. Quizzes. There will be short quizzes given weekly. This will measure your understanding of the previous lesson and a good practice for unit test. If you missed quiz, okay, you can again make up quizzes within 15 days after the due date and subject to a 10% penalty. After that one, all missed quizzes will be graded 0. There will be 4 exams. Actually, I listed 5. So, but for sure there will be 4 or 5 exams, and they will all be given online through Blackboard. No makeup tests are given. You are given 24 hours to take a test. It's also given to you in advance. So there will be no makeup test given if you miss this. However, your final exam grade may be used to replace a missed test score if the reason for missing a test is valid and documentation must be provided. For final exam, the final exam is taken on the last day of our class. That is on December. It will be available starting December 15, and you could take it until December 16. The final exam will cover everything that was discussed in class. It will be partly cumulative and partly cover new material not tested over. The final exam score may be used to replace a low test score. What about attendance? Attendance is taken. Okay, attendance will be taken, and it will be based on your quizzes and homework. You will be marked present if and only when you submit your homework and quizzes on time. If you submit them late or if you don't submit them, you will be marked absent. For instance, during the week you have sets of homework and quizzes, and you did not submit them or you submitted it late, then you will be marked absent for that week. This is how I would compute your grade. 25% will come from homework, 15% from quizzes, and 60% from the average of 4 or 5 long tests and finals. And these are the different class dates. Okay, tentative class dates. The long test 5 here is tentative, and this might get cancelled because this is really close to finals already. We might just cancel this one and then proceed to finals. We'll decide on that one later. Okay, now the detailed homework or the detailed class schedule is listed in the course calendar here. If you click on the course calendar, you would see the course calendar here with the list of all due dates for that week. Okay, or you could also download it. Next, let's proceed to the weekly course lessons. This is how you are going to access your lesson weekly. Okay, so this is divided into 5 units. Okay, we have 5 units for this course. And then from week 1 to 3 is the first unit. And the coverage is actually listed here with the list of due dates for the homework in here. So you just click on this one and then go to week 1. Okay, so this would give you the list of topics that will be covered for that week, and including the objectives for the week, and you are given here instructions on what you would do. Okay, so you could click on this one for the lecture videos, and this would direct you to your WebAssign access. Okay, and then you could just click on each of the links here for the lecture videos. And you could also download the PowerPoint for this section. And there are also some annotated examples and notes that you can download, and you can also work on some exercises in there and compare your solutions. Now, so this is for the whole week. Now, if you have any questions, like for instance, there is something that you are working on and you need help, you can ask the class, or you can post your questions here, or you can even request a video from me in here. So all you need to do is click on that one and post a question. You ask the class. This is where you would post questions that would benefit your classmates. For instance, you are working on a problem, you don't know what to do, or you want a solution for that one. You can post your questions here because your classmates might also benefit from that. And then I would reply from here. And the other forum is the study hall. You can also post any resources you found there or anything that you have and post it here for your classmates. And this is the place for student engagement. Students can ask each other questions and share resources. I would just occasionally monitor, but I will not participate in this forum here. But I would always regularly check this forum here and answer questions. And your classmates or you're also free to answer any questions in here. And also, if you have any private questions, you can use this send messages link here. Now, lastly, if you are working on a problem, then you need an answer almost right away. You can visit the Math Resource Center. They have standby tutors waiting to assist you and help you in any math problem that you may have. So don't forget to enroll at the Math Resource Center. This is a free online tutoring service provided by the Southeast Campus. And one more thing, during the exam, this is where you could find all the exams or all long exams that you will have in this class. Okay, it's not ready yet, but this is where I would post the exams. So I think that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.